Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Skype Python. Today we are going to learn sending text messages to the groups. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's have a look of that one. First of all, we need the group chat ID. Okay, so let me try to create a group first. Okay, so let's create a group with him, adding this user. Okay, done. So we have make this, and let's change the name of it. We'll make it as a testing. Okay, so let's first of all we have to retrieve this group chat. Okay, so first of all we have to improve this chat IDs. Okay, and then we have to add our function to send the message to the group. Let's comment this one. First of all we have to retrieve the chats, then we will add the chat IDs, right? So let's go and just run Python Skype, and let's see the test should be there or not. So this is group chat name, so we have this chat ID with the group chat name, that is test. So this is our group ID, so just copy and paste this, and we are going to use this one, right? Okay, so this is our chat ID. Let's copy, and then we will message in a group. Copy, and where's the function? So this is the function to send the message to the group. Okay, let's copy and add it. Send message to the chat ID in the message, so we require the chat ID, group chat ID. So here we go with the group chat ID. From the terminal, here we go with this one. Copy and paste this. Okay, okay, let's save this. Let's try to send this. Who is sending? Me, because I'm logged in, right? And I think its message is coming. Hello group, this is an automated message. Okay, so this is how I have sent the message to the group. Okay, so they're very easy, very simple. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. List chat IDs we have already talked about, right? So this is how we can get it. sk.chat recents for loop this one, and get the chat items. Single chat, you can split it with the help of the Skype single chat and the Skype group chat. Okay, and then you can just send the message in the group or the individual we have talked about in the last video. This is the group chat. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.